Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B, question number 4. Calculate the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now we have a quadrilateral that is ABCD. We can write it ABCD. Let's make a quadrilateral first, in which ABD is 90 degree. ABD. So I'll join B with D, and this is 90. It may not look 90, but this is 90 given in the question. Triangle BCD is an equilateral triangle of side 24 centimeter. That means BCD is this. All the sides are 24 each. And AD is 26 centimeter. That means to find the area of a quadrilateral, what we need to do? Area of given quadrilateral will be equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Yes, because these two are making the quadrilateral. So we will first find the, let's first find the area of triangle ABD. ABD is here, angle B is 90 over here. Angle B means angle ABD is 90. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we will find AB, right? So AD will become the hypotenuse and AB is the base and DB is the perpendicular, you can say. So AD is 26 centimeter, yeah. So AD square will become 26, AB square plus 20, DB is 24 square. So AB square will be 26 square, 24 goes to the other side, become minus. So 26 square minus 24 square. 26 is 676 minus 576 is AB square. That is 100 is AB square. Therefore, AB is 10 centimeter because everything else is in centimeter. So what will be the area of ABD? Area of triangle ABD, it is a right angle triangle, half. So it will be half base into height. That is half base is your AB and height is BD. Yes. So this will become half. What is AB? AB calculated, we have just now calculated. AB is 10 and BD is 24. This gets cut by 24, gets cut by 2, 12. So 120 centimeter square is the area of ABD. Now we will find second area of BDC. It is given BDC is an equilateral triangle. So area of BDC will be, we know area is root 3 by 4 into side square. That's the area for equilateral triangle. That becomes root 3 by 4 into side square. Just now we found side square, 24 square over there. That is 24 square is 576. So root 3 by 4 into 576. So this gets cancelled. Yeah. So 4, 2, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, 8 and 144. So it becomes 144 root 3 centimeter square because it's an area. So the total area of quadrilateral will become area of quadrilateral. The area of quadrilateral will become 120 plus 144 root 3 centimeter square. You can take common over here, 120 and 144. 12 will be common, so you can take 12 common. What you are left with? 10 plus 12 root 3 centimeter square. Again you can take common, that is 2 you can take common. 5 plus 6 root 3 centimeter square. Fine, that is 24. 5 plus 6 root 3 centimeter square.